Welcome to Living in Fort Worth. Today I am in Westworth Village, which is one of the many suburbs inside of Fort Worth. It is a unique small town because it has its own police force, fire department, things like that, but is part of the overall Fort Worth School District, very close to the military base, close to Lockheed, close to I-30 and 820, so very convenient location inside of the Fort Worth 820 loop. I want to show y'all this new listing. It is 5845 Pollard Drive. This is listed for $279,900, and I'm going to show y'all the inside. But first I'm going to show y'all the outside. So we're sitting on a quiet street, combination of older original homes and some new construction down towards the end of the street. It's a one-way direction, that direction, headed over to get out of the community. So this is 5845 Pollard, as I said. It has a one-car carport here with some extra storage. Notice new fencing, a welcoming front patio. The whole house has these solar screens, which makes it more private and helps with energy efficiency. Come into the living space, which has new carpet in very good shape. This is the main living room. They have white blinds on all of the windows throughout the property, and then also tons of ceiling fans. Headed into the dining area that leads into the kitchen. Notice the white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances with gas, and a built-in microwave. Granite countertops, and it's a thicker granite, not just like the thin veneer, and also has this accent backsplash. You have your laundry here in the kitchen with some extra storage. You also have a pantry for extra storage space. This home has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom all down this hall, which has a tile here in the hallway. This is the primary bedroom. It has 2 large closets, walk-in closet number 1, and then it has a more standard closet on this side. Shoe closet. It has some nice character accent pieces like this old phone stand here in the hall. Here is the hall bathroom. It has an updated vanity, updated toilet, does have a medicine cabinet there. And then it has real tile here in the shower, and it comes along the walls as well. And it also has some extra storage in here. Into bedroom number 2. Nice light-filled bedroom. Looks out on the backyard. Closet in here. I asked the homeowner if she made these. I love them. She said she bought it, but it has like the little peg accents. You have linen closet here in the hall, and then into bedroom 3. Also has 2 windows, looks out on the backyard. Also has kind of a standard size closet. This home is listed for $279,900, which is a great entry level to get into home ownership if that is your goal. It's 3 bedrooms with 1 bath, a little over 1,100 square feet. And then in here you have your HVAC system and water heater, both of which are gas. Then let's head out into the backyard. The backyard's one of the homeowner's favorite things about this property. She added in privacy fencing, which makes it a lot more functional. And also makes it more private. Real nice size backyard. Plenty of space to entertain, add an outdoor living center if you wanted. There's also another gate on that side that leads towards the carport. Once again, you'll notice those solar screens on all of the windows. Great for privacy and also for energy efficiency. This home does have some updated electrical items as well as plumbing items. And also, as you can see, carpet and flooring are in great shape. Neutral colors. Not a lot to be done on this property, which is nice because fixer-uppers are a whole thing. I wanted to show you all the front patio again. Nice inviting space. If you wanted to enclose this and make it a screened-in porch, you could absolutely do that. And over here is an extra storage room, which has the electrical panel, room for yard equipment, that kind of thing. And it is a good size carport. It can fit an SUV and is plenty long.